So, how do you actually fix, the chosen app is not working on Roku? And this is actually from the official, Roku community moderator. So, in order to resolve this issue, you need to first fully close the chosen and then, completely exit the channel, all the other apps, programs running in the background, and try opening it again. What you can also do is you can go ahead and turn off your device or, just go to settings, then click on system, then click on a power, or you can go ahead and system restart, right? And the modem and router as well, as if applicable, just wait for a few minutes and then you can power that back on. What you can do as well is you can uninstall and then reinstall, right? Highlight the channel, press the start button on your Roku monitor, and just select remove. And this should usually fix the issue, one of these. And if it still doesn't help, you need to contact their customer support, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.